Today I'm unboxing an interesting product. I've heard a lot of positive things about Diatomite products, so I'm extra excited. This is the GrapLife Stone Bath Mat, a unique and eco-friendly alternative to traditional bath mats. Cloth bath mats are cheap, but because they take time to dry, they collect lots of germs. It was carefully wrapped in bubble wrap, ensuring the product's safety during transit. The sleeve had instructions on it, including how to use and maintain the bath mat. It also came with this bag, the non-slip pad. It will be placed underneath the Diatomite mat, a pamphlet, and sanding tools for maintenance.
Amazing!
I cleaned the floor first, then placed the non-slip pad. This bath mat is made of diatomite. The porous nature of diatomite allows air to circulate, preventing any sticky or uncomfortable feeling on your feet. It also provides a good grip, reducing the risk of slipping in the bathroom. It's fascinating to see how the mat self-dries and prevents bacteria growth. It's also a low-maintenance option, compared to traditional mats. The mat is a great addition for those who prioritize safety and hygiene. Like me.